Hello.
Oh. Yeah.
Hi. Oh.
I need a plate, a plate, a plate. I need a plate to get my food. If I don't have a plate, I can't get my food. That's why I need a plate.
Yeah.
I need a fork, a fork, a fork. I need a fork to eat my food. If I don't have a fork, I can't eat my food. That's why I need a fork.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
I need a knife, a knife, a knife. I need a knife to cut my food. If I don't have a knife, I can't cut my food. That's why I need a knife.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I need a glass, a glass, a glass. I need a glass to drink my juice. If I don't have a glass, I can't drink my juice. That's why I need a glass.
Yeah. Hey, kiddos and parents. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Can you subscribe to our channel and hit that like button? It really, really, really helps recommend our video to other parents on YouTube. Bye-bye!
Hey, Ruby, wait for me. Bye-bye. Surprise! We're back. Thanks for watching. Can you give me a big smile before I leave?